Okay, finished the metal frame design, and they're trying to bring it in as much as possible, which is patient requested, so we bring it back as much as possible. Okay, final color side. I think it's the only thing we have to make it thick like this. And final. Just finished the tough one. It's really 3 implants, and then here, look at it. It's very tall success. The finish is really cool. I love it. Okay, so trying to make the thin as possible. The facial area. Okay, finished the metal frame design, and a couple things I noticed that this is the pre-op, and here's the wax up, and they're trying to bring it in as much as possible, which is patient requested, so we bring it back as much as possible, and then trying to get the just a little bit overhanging here. And also, I do notice that between the teeth we did not design, so we render here so we can make the crown, and then another zirconia restoration is not going to be a problem here. Okay. Anyway, so made a good design for Syton 7 star. Here we're going to put the porcelain underneath. And outside, trying to bring it back, so make the good tissue line together. And now we will get the opaque right now. And the other one, I just noticed that in between the teeth here, joint, I have to roll it back. And then I don't want to get the bulky here. So especially edge areas, I can bring it back as much as possible that area. case. This Finer's beautiful Syton 7-star cases. I'm trying to match the grace symmetry and also the aesthetic. Patients wants this natural as possible, and canine is natural teeth, and between those we have to connect well. Like here, and then here is another restorations. So before I grinding, and then we extend it here, and then I can get this is better embrasure line as close as possible. So this is a problem is this it back implant site, and they're really tall, and then patient don't want to make the facial out. Okay, so we're trying to bring it in the facial in. Right, so after it's cemented, and then we'll show you how much we're bringing in compared to wax up, compared to temporizations. This is another extremely tall 3 implant, and there are several options dentist has. Probably they can order the UCLA abutment and then cut it and then make metal ceramic. The UCLA, the issue is the expensive, and they're using a lot of semi-precious metal gold because this is really tall. So we have to match all the way here, and we build up setting. Otherwise, we can make this just like you saw our frame design, and then we make the Mini Syton 7-star cases just like top of this, and then we have to extend it from here. Right? This is trimmer plan before patient wear the acrylic. It's like that, which is really facial protruding. It's like old bridge all the way facial. The wax up based on with that thickness, but they really want to bring in as much as possible. So I made it to bring it in as much as possible here. And not only that, trying to make this aesthetic. But bleaching, I know you guys don't like the white, right? Because they don't want white. It's like white. I give them the good consistency. And this is all monolithic. Here's a little bit porcelain, and we finalize it. Okay, this is called Syton 7-star. Basically, we have a really tall implant, and then we finish them up with the aesthetic as possible. We engraved the patient name. That's cool. I'm not going to show them the patient's name, but this is another. Ooh, nice. With the phone. Cool. I love this.